I'm going to try to wire this thing up. And I'm going to upload some code to it, try to see if I can get it to work. Okay, so this here is the home page, arduino.cc, and I'm going to go over here to where I went to the download, and I downloaded the, I just clicked on his stuff and downloaded it. And this is the software. Now I'm going to go to learning, and there's examples, kind of show you how to do this stuff. There's you know, bare minimum, and I'm going to try this blink one. Here's my LED. It says to attach the short lead to ground, and that's the short lead, and this is ground. Pin 13. See, there's pin 13 and ground right here. So they're side by side, so I'm gonna short lead to ground. That was easy. Just stuck it in there. I think it's in. Alright. Go here to File. Go down to Examples. Basics. And this says Blink. And I can get rid of this. This has all the code and everything. Should be ready to go. I don't yet know how to explain all this stuff, but it's I mean, there's this right here tells you what the code's about. Tells you setup, and there's a loop. I think this means that basically it's going to run a loop, which means it's going to high means like a digital high means it's going to turn the LED on, and a digital low I think it's going to turn it off. It looks like 1,000 milliseconds, so it's going to basically, this code's is gonna turn this LED on for 1 second and then off for 1 second, and on a continuous loop. So I'm going to try that. I guess there's a checkup here to verify this, like where you write your code. I guess this verifies if there's any mistakes or whatever. I don't know. I'm guessing, like I said, it's like checking it. This says done compiling. I don't know. Maybe that doesn't do that. But anyway, like I said, I'm learning. So anyway, let me try to load this up. I'm going to plug this into the board and then plug it in, see if I can get it to do what I want it to do. I'll hook it up and plug it in. Hopefully this will work. It's got this kind of port, and this should be able to power it through the USB. Should be, I think. So I'll just plug this in. That's in. I plugged it in. I'll set it back here. And I'll plug it in the USB port. As soon as I plug that thing in, it started flashing, but I think that just means I've got power. And there's also a little LED down there flashing. So that's flashing faster than 1 second, I think. But anyway, so I've checked out my code. And I think this code's all ready. I think I'm ready to upload it. I'm not exact. One of these like you click on it and it sends it to the board here, but I'm not sure. I think it's, oh yeah, that says upload, open, new, save. Okay, so I think it's as easy as just clicking this. Okay, I think it's doing something. Oh, wait a minute. Serial port not found. Oh, I guess I gotta pick which port to send it to. Crap. Serial port, huh? Let's see. Alright. Sketch. Tools. Oh, okay. There's a serial port. I guess it's that one. Let me try this again. Oh, it says it's uploading now. I don't know if that's working or... Well, it's doing that. So, I don't know. Let me try to change the time here. See if that'll... Curious. I'm going to change this time. This is just 1 second. Let me try to rewrite this. Make this, I can't tell if it's working or not, so I'm going to try to make this a little longer. Okay, so I'm changing the time from 1 second to 10 seconds. Let me check, I changed it, so let me check this again. Alright, let me try uploading it. It says it's compiling. I just uploaded it, and let's see what happens. It's on now. Oh, went off. I think it's working. That's pretty cool. I just programmed this stuff to run a simple LED light. I'm gonna make it go on and off for 2 seconds. And all you gotta do is change this, make this 2000. That's the make it. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make it try 2 seconds and 2 seconds just to see. So okay, I got the 2 seconds, and everything else is the same. I mean, this is about the simplest code you can write, really. It's already done, so I'm going to verify it, make sure I didn't do anything. And it's compiling, done compiling. Now I'm going to upload it, which I uploaded. It's compiling, uploading. Alright, I think it. yeah, that looks like that's off and on for 2 seconds. Alright, let me make it a... I'm going to change it one more time and then I'm going to be done. Let's see. I'm going to make this... how about we turn it on for 5 seconds. And then turn it off for 3 seconds. Let's try that. It's uploading. I'm gonna verify it. Click on the verify. I don't even know if you have to do that. You probably don't, but it's done compiling, so I'm gonna upload it. And it should be uploading to my... Oh yeah, I just noticed these little there's a little LED TX and RX. I think that's transmit and receive, so that tells you when those start blinking, which they were for a second, that it's uploading. But yeah, I just changing the code to control this LED light. That's pretty cool, I think. And this one on pin 13, pin 13 has a built-in resistor and it runs this LED light here. So as you notice, this LED is kicking on the same as this one. So if you didn't have this LED plugged in, you could still drive that LED just fine. Like I can unplug this and I just unplug that and it's still driving this one. Same. If I wanted to hook this LED up to a different pin, I think I'd have to put a resistor in line with it, and I'd have to change command which pin this. I change this to a different pin number, and that should be a different pin over here. But I just got this thing and I just did my first ever Arduino project, and that's a pretty simple thing to do. So alright, that's pretty cool, I think.